I'm Jiminy Patel, Head of Training at BBBLONDON. For those of you at home, I'm here today to show you how to groom your brows. Step 1, we're going to use a brow tamer to comb our brows through. This will give you an easy template when you're tweezing. So step 2, we're going to measure our brows using a pencil. Start from the front of your brows, lining up, and just pencil and mark here. Then at the end of the brows from your nose to find the tail, mark at the end. Then to get your arch, measure up from your nose to the iris, get your highest peak, and mark here. So step 3, we're now going to tweeze our brows. Now, fortunately, I had my brows done just recently, so I don't have many brow hairs, but what we need to do when we tweeze, we need to stretch the brows so we don't catch our skin. And I've got one little single hair here that I'm gonna tease away. And then continue, as you can see, just tweezing away. And I'm working with the template that I've set. And we continue to use the same technique, tweeze and wean away the hairs. I'm going to try and get this one here. And there we go. So for the final step, we're going to use the clear brow gloss to groom the brows. And what we're going to do is comb through. You can see it's really taming the unruly hairs, but it will also hydrate and nourish the brows. And it adds a shine. So to recap, we're going to use the brow tamer to recomb the brows through and set your template. The second step, we've got the tweezer to make sure that we work around the template that we've set and wean those hairs out. And then the last step, to make sure that our brows are nicely glossed up and tamed, we're going to use the clear brow gloss.